Well, good morning, everyone. Coach Brenda here. So I am in the kitchen, basically trying to get things situated for next week. So next week is a new week, and I'm doing a little meal prep. I am checking to see what I have in my fridge that I can go ahead and cook so that I don't let anything spoil, because when you use a lot of produce, you know, it can spoil fast. So I am here. I decided to make a pot of soup. So I'm making, it's cold today, it's kind of wintry weather. So I'm making a pot of split pea soup, and I just added a bunch of veggies. I'm using green pepper, red pepper, carrots, onions, just adding everything in. So I will show you here. I'm sauteing carrots, red peppers, onions, green peppers, and I put a little jalapeno in it. I took the seeds out. So that's what I have cooking here, sauteing. Here I have my pot of split pea soup, and I started out with some split peas, dried split peas, and cleaned them, let them soak a little bit, and now I have them here, and I'll use this. I have them here, and what I did, I had some ham from Thanksgiving or Christmas, and what I did, I just dropped a few pieces of the frozen ham in with the split peas. So the split peas are cooking, and the ham is just in there, just making it nice and seasoned. And I'm gonna add a little pepper to it, because I do like pepper in my split pea soup, and a little Himalayan salt. I'm gonna add just a little bit right in there to cook with it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think I'm gonna do something. Like I said, I'm looking at my vegetables, what I have on hand, and I had one sweet potato left. So I think I'm gonna cut this up. I may put that in with the split pea soup. It's a veggie, you know, and let it cook as well. So yeah, so I'll let you see the finishing touches soon. Okay, so my split pea soup is cooking, and it's looking really good. I will show it to you. It is looking really good. I have it, split pea soup. I have the ham in here. I have the carrots, onions, red peppers, green peppers, jalapeno, little jalapeno in there. And it is looking really good. I'll try to show you here. Let me see. Oops, that's hot. Hold on. Let me get up in here and just have you take a look at this soup. Nice. Okay, so in addition to that, what I'm doing is I'm making some yeast rolls. I have them here. I only did a half a batch, so I'm gonna make some yeast rolls here, and they are rising. In this skillet right now, I took that sweet potato, and remember it's just two of us, so I took that sweet potato, and I'm just trying something new. And I have in here sweet potatoes, some brown sugar, some coconut cream, and vanilla, and I'm just letting it slow cook. I'm just doing a little sweet potato dish, and on top of that, once it starts thickening, it's thickening already, I have some walnuts and pecans that I crushed that I'm going to put on top, just as a little side dish. And you know, when you're in the kitchen, you can create what you want to create, but always think about the health of the dish. So I have the split pea soup. I have plenty of veggies in there. I added a little ham in there, but it brings the flavor in. And also I have a sweet potato, which it was just by itself. So I said, let me cook it, chopped it up. I put a little brown sugar in there, light brown sugar, added some coconut cream, added some vanilla, and I'm gonna let that just thicken and make a little topping of pecans and walnuts on top. So just really always focus on trying to eat as healthy as you can. Okay, so this is just a little meal prep that I'm doing, and I wanted to share it with you. I am back, so I wanted to share with you the finished product. So I showed you the split pea soup. Here is my yeast rolls, all done. And here is the finished product of the sweet potatoes. So I have sweet potatoes, I have coconut milk, I have the walnuts in here, and I have some cinnamon spice that goes into this, and little butter that I put in it. And then after I cooked them for a little bit, I put them in the oven. So it's nice and a little crispy, but not quite. It's moist and in between. So yeah, so that is my finished product. So I'm all set for today. I have my split pea soup, some rolls, and some sweet potato. I may add a salad to it. So that's the benefit of eating at home. You can do what you want to do. And I'm going to share with you just a few things that you can do when you're eating at home and the benefits of eating at home. A lot of times people feel like, well, if I'm going out, I feel good. I feel better when I'm getting out. But you can do the same thing at home in the comfort of your own home. It's a cold day today. So eating at home, having some soup, having a little salad, some rolls, and a little sweet potato on the side as a little dessert is nice. So let me give you just a few benefits of eating at home, because it is nice to eat at home. So number one is better nutrition. Better nutrition, it's a home cooked meal. Decrease in sugar, decrease in processed foods, decrease in ingredients that you are not sure of, and it's a more balanced diet. So that's number one, better nutrition. Number two is portion control. Most of the time when you go to a restaurant, you are given this meal, and a lot of times you think, oh wow, this is a lot. But what do? You sit there and you eat it anyway because I bought this food. Instead, this is a way that you have your food at home, you have access to it, so you can decide how much you eat. So portion control, you can prepare your own. It helps to really manage those portions, decreasing the risk of overeating, and less processed foods and additives. You don't know what all they're adding into the food. So that's number two. Number three is customizable ingredients. You have full control over what's in your food. Is it fresh? And that's one of the things that I really focus on, is eating fresh. So customizable ingredients. Number four, it encourages healthy habits when you eat at home. Fostering a healthier relationship with food. It also helps you to be mindful when you're eating. So really focusing in on healthy eating habits. And then the biggest one for me is number five, which is it saves you money. When you eat at home, you'd be surprised at how much money you save. And I am in the process of really focusing in on budgeting, and I'm going to be sharing some more things about budgeting, the importance of budgeting. But you know, this split pea soup, it was a bag of split peas, which cost maybe 89 cents for this bag of split peas. I had vegetables in the fridge already, onion, peppers, carrots, you know, these things which cost pennies for each vegetable. So I'm cutting up these vegetables, and instead of buying them already cut up and paying $3.98 or $4 for vegetables cut up, I already have vegetables that I can cut up that cost me very little to do. So it saves you money. And then this, I already had what I needed here. I had sweet potatoes here. So it really saves you money when you really take out time and do your shopping, you know, plan for your shopping, get everything you need, make you a list. I have over there on my refrigerator notes so I can add to it whenever I need to make my list of what I need for the week. You get those things and you have them, and you just create the foods that you love to eat, fresh, healthy foods. So I just wanted to share that your budget is so much better when you eat at home. Even yesterday was Valentine's Day, and we ate at home. I had food here. We came in, we probably would have spent about $60, $70 buying a nice meal. But we had food here, we cooked together, and it was a nice meal. We had steak, we had shrimp, green beans with pecans in it, and we had a nice meal. So it saved us almost $100 eating out for Valentine's Day. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to be talking more about budgeting and really in midlife, really taking out time to prepare your meals, to prepare your life so that you are saving the money that you need, especially during this time. We're going to really need to be mindful. As prices go up, you can still eat and eat well. All right? Have an amazing day. I will see you real soon. Take care.